Hello, my name is Ms. Rawls, and I welcome you to the CIS 107 Introduction to Computer Applications course. This course is scheduled to meet twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 a.m. to 10:50 a.m. We will meet virtually at 9 a.m. on Tuesday, September the 1st, 2020 using Zoom. This intro screen has a welcome announcement from me. This is a lengthy announcement, but a must read. At the bottom of the screen, there is a print version of this announcement that you can click on and print and review. On the right-hand side of the screen is a list of dates of upcoming assignments and the due dates. To get started, familiarize yourself with this course, please click the Content Tool button. The Content Tool button will land at the Overview module, which provides you with a description of the course. Below this module, I'm going to click on the Course Information module. The Course Information module has several documents, starting with a launch button to the SimNet, which is how you will be completing your assignments. SimNet is a third-party learning management system from McGraw-Hill. I'm going to provide you with other information regarding SimNet later on. The next link is a link to the CIS 107 syllabus, and it covers the requirements and everything that you will learn in the course. This link is a link to the course schedule. The course schedule will list the assignments in weeks that will be covered on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The communications plan provides you with the information on how I will communicate and how you can communicate with me. This link, the evaluation measures, will provide you with a list of assignments that you will be expected to complete and the percentages for these assignments. And this link is a link to Delaware Tech's academic integrity policy and what it covers. The next link that we will review is the Student Support Center link. This link has some more information, as I discussed, about the SimNet. So in order to work with the SimNet third-party learning and management system, you should click this link to perform a computer compatibility check. This will let you know what you need for your computer to operate and complete the assignments. Some of your assignments in the form of projects has a video here on how to complete, download, and submit these projects. If you need technical support, you can contact SimNet directly, and these are the hours of operation, the phone number, or you can click the link to view other methods to contact them. We also have a link here for the Delaware Tech Virtual Support Center. This support center can also provide you with computer lab hours if you need to come in to complete assignments. The computer lab hours are Mondays through Fridays, 9 a.m. to 2, and Wednesdays 2 to 8. The next module we will review is the How-To D2L videos. Well, once you click this, when navigating D2L, it will provide you with a list of other types of videos on how to change your profile and other information on how to navigate D2L. This link, the Zoom meetings link, is how we will be corresponding virtually. It will give you information on how to enter Zoom. I have a video on Zoom. Also, Zoom requirements. What are your computer requirements for entering Zoom? It's listed right here. You can enter Zoom using a laptop, a tablet, a smartphone, but you will definitely need internet access, a microphone, and a speaker. And this is the link on how to enter Zoom meetings Tuesdays and Thursdays during our scheduled class time. The remaining modules are weekly modules, which are listed weeks 1 through 15 that coincide with the weekly schedule. When you click on the week 1 module, you will find a discussion board where you can introduce yourself to me and your classmates. Please do this week. A mandatory policy test preparation, because this test is required and must be completed by September the 3rd. So there's a preparation for this test, and please read this information thoroughly prior to taking the test. The other weekly modules will list a PowerPoint and that goes over that chapter and the information you will be covering that week. Please take the time to familiarize yourself with D2L. Also, you can click on the instructor information link where I provide you some information about myself. This here will give you an idea of who I am and how I've connected with Delaware Tech for these many years. Also, lastly, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me, and my email is listed under my instructor information, and it's mrawls@dtcc.edu. Again, welcome to the course, and I look forward to working with each and every one of you.